First, turn off the power to the electrical control box and disconnect the spindle cable. Remove the 4 screws on the waterproof cover of the spindle cable. Next, you'll see 3 gold nuts. Remove the nuts on the internal UVW terminal block and disconnect the cable from the spindle. There are 4 screws on each side of the silver spindle. First, loosen them, then remove the screws. Next, remove the spindle. Note the 4 screw holes marked in the image, and install the laser module in place. Connect the laser module cable to the PWM port on the back of the X-axis. The laser module is now installed. Let's test it out. Place the engraving material in position. Use the focus knob to adjust the height of the laser head until it just touches the material. Open Lightburn and select the corresponding communication port. Enter $$ in the console to check the parameters. Then enter $32 = 1 to enable laser mode. And finally enter $30 = 1000 to set the laser power. Set the initial engraving position as needed. Here, we will perform a laser parameter test. If you already have suitable parameters, you can start engraving directly.